Maybe this was the mysterious Mr. Right I'd been waiting my whole life to meet.
You remember Bridget?
Maybe not.
This scene from the movie Bridget Jones's Diary happens regularly during the holiday season. Singletons dealing with family and office parties all through December. So the question we're tackling this morning, how do singles survive the holidays? Well, dating expert Bella Gandhi joins us this morning with a little bit of advice. All right, so this is such a great topic. What? I mean, we could talk about this for longer than 3 minutes. But,
absolutely.
You know, okay, I guess the first question is, what should singles do? I mean, you're constantly dealing with family and just, it can be a little lonely.
It can be, but that's the key. Know yourself. And if you're the kind of person that likes to be busy and out and about many times a week, then plan accordingly. Say yes to everything that comes your way. Invitations to the cocktail parties, the work parties, plan nights out with your friends that lift you up. Your friends can be a great source of happiness. And you know what? Get out and volunteer. When we give back to people that are less fortunate, children, people that need more than we do, it feels really, really good. So plan for the holidays, and you can feel really good about it.
And you never know, you might actually meet Mr. or Mrs. Right
at
the volunteer.
You never know. You never know where that person. We're only looking for one. So
exactly.
They might be right there at the homeless shelter with you.
So what should you do about the relatives who always ask about your love life? Because you don't want to shut them down, but you know, it's kind of annoying.
Exactly. So you want to be prepared. When you feel prepared to answer those questions, you walk in, you feel good, you feel happy because nobody's going to bring you down. So if Uncle Bill, well-intentioned, well-meaning, asks you, "Hi, Bella, are you still single? Are you out there dating?"
Oh my God.
Just say, "You know what, Uncle Bill, I am so glad you asked me that question because guess what? You're now on Team Bella, which means you need to set me up with one great guy this year so I'm not single again for the holidays next year."
There you go. Kind of shift the responsibility.
Exactly. This is your reward for asking me that great question. You get to be in the village.
I like that. Okay, and if you are interested in finding a date, you say the holidays are actually a really great time to do that.
Oh, absolutely. Remember, at the end of the year, falling in love is always in one of the top 5 resolutions for all Americans. There's 107 million single people over the age of 18. So like anything, if you want to find love, put together a dating plan with specific, concrete actions that you can do on a daily basis because it's not going to happen to you if you're sitting at home watching reality TV in your living room. You've got to get out and you have to do some things. Online dating, meeting people in your real life, leveraging your networks, maybe including Uncle Bill to set us up. So there's lots of things we can do to be planful, to find love. Have people around you that are going to hold you accountable or work with professionals, whatever you need, but get yourself out there and make a plan.
Well, I could tell you, we could talk about this all day, all morning. It's a great topic. We thank you for coming in early with us today.
Thank you.
Great tips there as well. Everything you need to know to kind of handle the holiday season. And to get more of Bella's advice, you can head to our website, cbschicago.com.